How to save or create a gradient swatch in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Create a shape, that's the easiest way. Just use it as rectangle or circle, etc. Then go over here to the gradient tool and then apply a gradient for that shape. Blue to black. By default it could be white to black, could be red to black depending on the previous colour. Now I'm going to select that. As soon as you select it, you'll notice it gets slightly bigger. That's the one that's selected. This one isn't, it's slightly smaller. And you can double click here and you can change the colour. So I'm going to go with green. I can go to the black one and I can double click. I can set it to red. If I want to add additional stops, and obviously just 2 stops is fine, but you can always hover over the line and then you can go there and just click the line and it will add a stop. Double click that and again set it to say colour like yellow. Hover over the line again and then go over here and you can see the plus, just click and then change the colour again by double clicking there with a colour and set it to another blue or green or whatever. Now it hasn't been stored yet in the Swatches panel. You can find the Swatches panel in Window and Swatches, or if you're using previous version, the View menu in Studio. To actually save it, just go up here to the Move tool, select that. Now it'll be stored away as linear, that's what it was for the gradient. Over here in the Swatches now, you can see you've got your gradient there. Just go down here, make certain you select the correct palette or category. In this case, it's going to be gradients. Now you can create your own. You can go up here, right side menu there, and you've got options here to add application, document palette, etc. But I'm just going to go with the gradients one. And now I'm just going to click here. This is where you need to click. Just click that and it'll be stored. It's just stored away there. There it is. It's been added. Now say you want also the radial one. Or just go over here, select the gradient tool again and go up here to the type. Go down here and go for say radial or elliptical, etc. There's conical as well. With that, again, go to the Move tool. With that selected, then just go here and again, just click and then that's added there as well. So you've got both. You've got the linear and also the radial one. Again, if you want to change the gradient, just go there, select that. And again, you can still add more. So click there and then double click and maybe go for blue. Click close. Again, go here, Move tool. Go over here and again click this and that will again add another swatch here. Say you decide you want some opacity or transparency in your gradient, so you want to be able to see through the gradient. So go here, select the gradient tool again and you can select any of these stops, say this one. So this one can be selected and then you'll notice up here in the swatches you just got blue. So it's not changing any of these gradients. These are totally untouched. You can go to the opacity, so just go there. And if you change it, just reduce it down, you can see then it just obviously gets lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. And now you can see through that gradient to whatever's behind. Obviously there's nothing behind in this case. So you've got that there. And again, exact same, just go to the Move tool with that selected. Now, just to show, I can hold down the Alt Option key and drag and you can see then, you can see through that shape and gradient. It's selected there and you can see it there and again just click there and it can be added. You can also, if you want, with this, go to the gradient tool, just click up here and you can see you've got your transparency and you can also modify the opacity, midpoint, etc. And these are the midpoints, it's a little line so you can just make it sharper or more blurrier. And also you can insert, copy and also reverse the gradient using the settings here. If you've got any questions about the gradients, Swatches panel, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.